In this incredibly quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your ride history on the Waymo app. First things first, pull up the app, of course. I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and click Account. Once I do, this is my main account and I can see settings, preferences, and a lot more. I'm just going to click History. And once I do, boom. This is my entire ride history. I will say some of my history has been blacked out because these are some of my friends' addresses and everything. But you can see this is my history. And let's say I want to see something more in depth. Let's say I want to see the particular route and a lot more kind of individual things. If I click any of them, let's say I click this one when I went to the Abbey from the Hollywood Roosevelt, I can see the pickup time, the drop-off time, the license plate of the vehicle, the distance, the duration, and more. And I want to show you that last part because a lot of people don't know that you can actually see not only your pickup and drop-off location, the time, that kind of stuff, but the exact route that you take. You never know when this might come in handy. Let's say something happened with Waymo. You have to report something. You have to report an incident. Waymo does track the GPS in terms of not only, like I said, where you get picked up and dropped off, but the exact route that it took. Did it go on the freeway or not? What back roads did it take? Did it take a circuitous route for whatever reason? This allows you to see the exact specifics of how, when, where, and why your trip happened when it comes to the exact Waymo ride that you took.